when if they given like a central form like x minus something like x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square is equal to some 9 is they given. Like another circle I'm taking x plus 3 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square, some 16 is given. See here already radius is given. Radius is given. If you want to apply the first formula, again we have to expand this by applying a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square. We can change it in this form. Okay, we can change it in this form. After that, comparing with this general form, then substitute. Not necessary that simply a radius already given. This is r1 square. This is r2 square. Direct this 9 and 16 substitute here. D nothing but here small d is equal to C1, C2. The distance between two centers. What are the centers here from the first one? Center C1 is already h comma k. It is in the form of x minus h the whole square, y minus k the whole square, 2 comma 3. Your center will be second is minus 3
minus 3
5. That's all. We know that C1, C2 just find D value. We know that directly R1, R2 substitute. That's all. This is the angle between two circles. So here only the thing is, remember student, most of the questions in system of circles, when two circles are intersecting orthogonally, that you have to remember that orthogonally. What is the mean by orthogonally? Orthogonally nothing but the angle between these two circles, theta must be equal to 90. So because I already explained twice or thrice this concept, once again I am explaining you. Only the thing is here, when two circles are orthogonally, remember that theta is 90 means what is the numerator here? Numerator alone equating to 0. This numerator alone, C1 plus C2 minus 2 times of G1, G2 plus F1, F2 equating to 0. That is the orthogonal condition. In the same way, for even second one also, here also, same numerator just equating to 0. That is the orthogonal condition. That's all. Very, very important, this orthogonal, because if you see here in this exercise, almost, if you observe that most of the questions, which belongs to orthogonal, right? Like for example, we are discussing classwork here. So here, see, observe here it is orthogonally. Okay, and next questions. Let us see some questions here. Circle orthogonal condition. Okay, and almost here orthogonally, right? So like the questions are there, like which belongs to orthogonal. Angle between intersecting means it will get some angle. Perpendicular or orthogonally, like that will be there. Okay, you can observe the question here, orthogonal questions, orthogonally. So here also orthogonally. Okay, this we already solved, orthogonal. So most of the question orthogonally, right? Like that. So please be concentrate on orthogonal circles. So when two circles are intersecting, like the angle between two circles are 90. What is the condition? What are the conditions that you have to remember? One is, I am writing again, one C1 plus C2 is equal to 2 times of G1 G2 plus F1 F2 when they given in general form, in this form. When they give central form again here D square is equal to, I said numerator equating to 0. So from the D square is equal to R1 square plus R2 square. So student, everyone must be remember these two formulas. It's depending on the given question. If they're given general form, take the first formula. If they're given central form, nothing but direct right side radius is given. Second formula, important. Radical axis, nothing but nothing. Here, when two circles are given like that, S1, S2. See here, I have clearly given here. This is S1. This is S2. When two circles like that, S1, S2 is given, radical axis formula is, what is radical axis? Simple. The formula is S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. That's all. Given two circles, you can subtract that one circle to another circle. Okay, first circle minus second circle. That is the radical axis equation. And radical center. What is the radical center? Radical center means that we know that um, to find the radical center, how many circles we required? I said three circles, minimum three circles. For radical axis, only two circles. So here, only the thing is how many radical uh, axis we are going to get. This is S1, this is S2, this is S3, right? This is one radical, this is one radical. Point of intersection of all the three radical axis. This is radical axis 1, radical axis 2, this is radical axis 3. So you can find any two radical axis and solve that, you will get radical center. Okay, that is we are going to get three equation S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. S2 minus S3 is equal to 0. This is second radical axis equation. S3 minus S1 is equal to 0. This is third. You can solve any. We are going to get line equations here. Every radical axis is a line. Okay. You can solve any two equations. You are going to get a x comma y value. That is the radical center. That's all. Nothing. But most of the questions orthogonally. So radical center means maybe only 2 to 3 questions are there. Even radical axis also, but mostly concentrate on angle between. And also last, family of circles. What is the mean by family of circles? Family of circles means when two circles I am taking, this is the first circle and this is the second circle I am going to take. When two circles are intersecting, when two circles are intersecting like this, okay. So in that case, here we are going to get two common points, like, okay, like two circles are intersecting at two distinct points. Like I'm taking this point as capital A, this point as capital B. So the family of circles are the required circles. Sometimes, they're asking, the question is the equation of circle which is passing through. Okay, the equation of circle, required circle which is passing through the point of intersection of the given two, point of intersection of given two circles. What are the point of intersection of given two circles here? A and B. The required circle also passing through this A and B. Okay, A and B. Then what is that equation of this required circle? Okay, so to find this, it is very easy. It is not at all difficult. Okay, right. You look at here. This is the first given circle I am taking as S1 is equal to 0. S1 is equal to 0. They only given. This is. I'm taking second circle. Definitely they'll give two circles. Now we need to find this S3 is equal to 0. We require to find the equation of circle S3 is equal to 0. How can you find this S3 is equal to 0? Okay, when two circles S1, S2 are intersecting at capital A and B, then the required circle S3 can be written as, the circle S3 can be written as S1 plus lambda times of S2 is equal to 0. This will give S1 plus lambda times of S2 is equal to 0 will give the required circle S3. That's all. Now we can find the lambda value with the help of the given condition. That's all. Definitely, surely they'll give one condition. We can find that. And okay, here they given two circles. We require to find another circle. But when they given one circle and one line equation, how to find the? So next case, they may ask a question like this. Yeah, here again, this is the given circle. They given one circle here. Okay, this circle, okay, let us take here. This is the given circle. And they given a line. Line nothing but I am taking this is the line. They given one line equation, one circle equation. Circle equation I'm taking as S is equal to 0. Line equation is I'm taking as capital L is equal to 0. They given circle, they given line equation. Here also they may ask the question. See, line and circles are intersecting. Intersecting means again we are going to get 2 points. Let us take this is capital A, this is capital B. Now again here we require to find the circle equation which is passing through again the point of intersection of given A and B. How can you find this equation of circle which is passing through point of intersection of given circle and the line? Yes, students, how can you find that? Is that difficult? No, not at all difficult, right? See here. So now I want to find the required circle as this. For example, this is given circle. Let us take S1. I want to find S2. I require to find S2. This S2 is equal to S1 plus lambda times of L is equal to 0. Previously, they given two circles, so that what we have read S1 plus lambda S2 is equal to. Here they given just one circle, one line, S1 plus lambda L is equal to 0. These are the only 5 concepts we will discuss in system of circles. I hope so you understood. Let us go for the questions. Okay. Right. Here I think common chord, nothing but when two circles are intersecting. See, here intersecting means intersecting at 2 points A and B. If you joining these 2 points, this is a segment. This is a chord which is common to S1 is equal to 0 and S2 is equal to 0. Common chord. Okay, how can you find the common chord equation? S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. This is the formula for finding the common chord of the circles. Okay, anyhow, we did. I think I explained 11th one and 12th one concept. Okay, here also same. I already explained. Line equation is given capital L. Circle equation is given capital S. Then the equation of circle AB as a diameter. This AB as a diameter means I told you first is plus lambda L equating to 0. Okay, and AB you can consider as diameter means I told you like two methods in previous time, previous class. So you can go through any one of the method. The formula is this one. This is one method. And 12th also same. Then coming to the 13th question. 13 questions onwards we will discuss. And also student, today I am going to take evening class from 4:30. I'll start the class at 4:30. Okay. Do you have any advanced class today? Yes. Do you have any advanced class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. At what time? Yeah, 6. Okay, we'll take 4:30 to like 5:15 or 5:30. Because day after tomorrow I can complete this system of circles. Today alone you can spend the time. I thought today we're having 2 classes, but we're having only 1 class, so that we'll take 1 extra time. Anyhow, right, 13th question. All questions are easy. First, try to understand the question. I told you just based on those 5 concepts alone. The equation of circle passing through the origin. First, they given clearly the equation of circle passing through the origin. Nothing but we don't get any constant. See here in options also, there is no any constant because clearly they given it is passing through the origin. And to find the equation and the points of intersection of 2 circles are given. 2 circles are given. And what to do? Simple question. This is a really, it is very easy question. I'm telling you. Three types of questions are there: easy, difficult, moderate. Sorry, easy, moderate, and difficult. So here it is easy, because why I'm telling easy, the first circle you can take as S1. The first circle I'm taking as S1. Second circle I'm taking as S2. Clearly they given two circles are intersecting. I clearly explain you when two circles are intersecting S1, S2. What is the equation? We can write S1 plus lambda S2 is equal to 0. Here also same S1 plus lambda times of S2 is equal to 0. Nothing but x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 3 plus, don't take equal to 0, plus, yeah, just plus lambda times of this second circle equating to 0. Here we have to find lambda value. Here we need to find lambda value. To find lambda value, one condition is given. This is the required circle. This is the required circle S3. I want to find S3. To find S3, S3 is given by S1 plus lambda S2 is equal to 0. If you find lambda, that's it. That lambda value again substitute here, we'll get the answer. How can you find lambda? Simple. The required circle passing through what? Origin. Okay, substitute here. 0 square. I'll do it because easy. 0 square is 0, 0 square is 0, 0, 0, minus 3. Here plus lambda is there. Again 0 square, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 4. Final lambda is equal to, okay, minus 3 lambda is equal to, minus 3 lambda, minus 3 lambda or minus 3 plus lambda times of 4. What I'm here, see, this we can try this question here, plus lambda times of second circle, substitute 0, 0. Here minus 3 will be there, plus lambda times of constant or minus 4 is equal to 0. You are going to get lambda value is minus 3 by 4. This minus 3 by 4 again substitute here. Minus 3 by 4, simplify, you are going to get answer. That's all. Simple question. And the 14th question. The equation of the circle describes on the common chord. Two circles are intersecting. This is the common chord. Okay. Of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2x and like as diameter. Okay. Here the question is like, it is like a 11th question. When two circles are intersecting, same circle, they given two circle actually. Another circle is, I'm taking like this. Okay. Anyhow, this is another circle. Fine. Then, so here we get a common chord. What is the common chord here? This is the common chord. Right, straight, understood? That is a common chord. See, we require to find the equation of circle. We can consider this common chord as a diameter. Diameter, yeah. This common chord we can consider as diameter. Yeah, we require this circle. This is given circle S1 is equal to 0. This is given circle S2 is equal to 0. We require to find like S3 is equal to 0. This is S3. So this S3 so here, yeah, this circle S3 we want to find. For that, you know, in this case, clearly they said that this is, let us take this is A. Given two circles are intersecting means we'll get 2 points. Okay, we'll get like, what is the center of first circle? Let us take that is C1. What is the center of second circle? They given C2. What is the center of required circle? C3. Okay, is it difficult to find C3 center of the circle? Not at all difficult. Why? Because circle first, they given two circles. Like, what is the center of first circle? Anyone? Minus 1 comma 0. Yes or no? 2x means 2 half of the value is 1. plus sign becomes minus sign. Okay, C1. C2, center of second circle, 2y. Shall I take 0, minus 1? Yes. Okay, here C1 is minus 1, 0. C1 is minus 1, 0. And C2 is 0, minus 1. Yeah, first, this C3 is clearly is given by midpoint. Okay. Because, from origin to, let us consider here, if you identify an x-axis and y-axis, clearly this point C3 is clearly the midpoint. So minus 1, 0 means here this is minus 1, 0. This is 0, minus 1. So this is one circle, this is one circle. Sorry, these two circles are actually intersecting. So we require to find it. This is exactly midpoint. Center is midpoint. Just to find the midpoint with the help of these 2 points. Minus 1, 0, 0, 1, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. We are going to get minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Yeah, option verification. Option verification. Students, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 is the center of which equation? Anyone? Which of the following option is correct? Take it once. Fastly. Center is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 means in general form we are getting both will be plus. This is wrong. 1 plus 1 minus. Wrong. This is right. Both will be plus. Okay. Even you can take as a center G comma. C value should not be considered. C value 0 alone. C value should be 0. The next 15th one. 14th one also actually easy alone. 15th one. The length of the common chord of 2 circles. Like, okay, here what they are asking here. This is one circle, this is another circle. 2 circles are intersecting, then they are asking the length of this common chord AB. Length of the common chord AB. How can you find the length of the common chord AB? Okay. See here, very simple. 2 circles are given. First, find the centers. C1, yes, C2. Okay. And after that, here we know that when I consider this is radius, this is we are getting some point center here. Here A comma B center. Here clearly C comma D center. See, they given clearly in terms of A comma B. Okay, C comma not C comma D, B comma A. According to this, the center is B comma here, A comma B. Okay, here length nothing but here we are going to get a right angle triangle. Am I right? Radius is hypotenuse. If I take the center, we know that. Okay, just to find this chord, common chord. What? How can you find this AB chord equation? Anyone? Chord equation. S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. Just now I said first circle take S1, second circle take S2. S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. We'll get chord equation. Then you can find. We know that center. This is a perpendicular distance. Okay. So we are going to get a right angle triangle like this. This is center C1. This is a common chord A, B. Just I want to take this right angle. A radius already here C. Radius already C. Here also radius will be C. So radius will be C. You can find the perpendicular distance. Here AB, shall I write here? R square is equal to Pythagoras. Hypotenuse square is equal to, if I take midpoint as M, like C1, like, okay, AM square plus C1 M square. Can I write? Hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining 2 sides. Okay, this is C square. Fine. This is AM. AM. We required AM value. We required AM value. So this is also, so here finally AM square is equal to R square minus C1 M square. So C1 M square, I'm taking as D. D nothing but you can find the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance, student, that you know, perpendicular distance formula is what? When one like a line is equation is given, and when they given one point like this, let us take x1 y1. What is the perpendicular distance formula when this equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0? Yes, I'm taking this perpendicular distance from this point, I'm taking as d. So d is equal to clearly modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. Apply this formula, you get the distance, this d value. Okay, so already you studied what I'm saying. Try to understand the concept, what we have to do, what are the points are given. So first to find the chord equation. Chord equation here, s1 minus s2, you get we are going to get one line equation. You can find the perpendicular distance, radius already given. Actually direct formula is there here. The length AB is equal to root over what is the formula? 2 times of r square minus d square. Because yeah, this is clearly this AM is equal to root over r square minus d square. See here, this is d square, square root of AM, but we required AB. AB is equal to 2 times of AM. AB shall I write 2 times of AM? What is AM? Remember this direct formula that you already discussed in line concept. Okay. The chord equation and the circle also we discussed 3 to 4 questions. Okay, then that with the help of that you can do. You'll get easily, I think so. The answer is first option. Okay. Next, the locus of the center. The locus of the center of the circle. Two conditions are given, which cuts the circle orthogonally and touches the line x is equal to 2. Touches. I'm going to explain you this question very clearly. What is the circle equation is given? Simple question and important question. X square plus y square minus 20x plus 4 is equal to 0. So let us consider this. Yeah, this is the given circle. Yeah, given circle. We required find the required circle is clearly. Let us consider this is the required circle. This is the required circle. Okay. This is the required circle. And what they given here, look at here. All of you observe here. This is the given circle. Let us take this as S1 is equal to 0. S1. We have to this is the required circle. I am taking S2 is equal to 0. S1, S2 are intersecting orthogonally. Nothing but the angle between these two circles are 90. Okay, orthogonal. Orthogonal means this S2 circle I am taking as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And this I want to comparing with, okay, otherwise you can take this as g1, f1, c1. This circle I want to comparing with plus 2g2, x2, f2, y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, what is your g2 value? G2 is equal to minus 10. F2 value is 0. C2 value is 4. Okay, we got. G1 is G1, F1. Orthogonal. Orthogonal is that we know that C1 plus C2 is equal to 2 times of G1, G2 plus F1, F2. Okay, C1, C2 value that already know. C1 is as it is. C2 value is 4 is equal to 2 times of G1 is G1, but G2 value is minus 10. This F1 value is F1, but F2 value is 0. So finally here, C1 here minus 20G1, you can take left side, 20G1 plus C1 plus 4 is equal to 0. This is one equation. With the help of orthogonal condition, I found one equation, and also they given one more condition. The required circle touches the line x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Let us consider this is the line x is equal to 2 and 2. Okay, that is the line x is equal to 2. Okay, let us consider this is the line x is equal to 2. X equal to 2 means what is the center among the required circle center is minus G1 comma minus F1. See, touching means, can I take here perpendicular distance is equal to radius? We know the line equation. Line equation is for x is equal to 2 means x minus 2 is equal to 0. We know the circle line equation, x minus 2 is equal to 0. We know that the point x1 y1 as minus G1 minus F1 x1 y1, and perpendicular distance formula also we know that just now I have written ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square b square. So, and this if I equate into radius, okay, radius means root over g1 square plus f1 square minus c1. So if you equating here the perpendicular distance, actually we are going to get minus g minus 2 by root over 1. That's it. So squaring on both sides, so g plus 2 the whole square is equal to right side g square plus f square minus c. We are getting, simplify this equation, we are going to get another equation. So solving equation 1 and 2, you will get g value, f value. We are going to get the equation in terms of g and f. But the question is what? Locus of the center. After getting the equation in terms of g comma f, replace minus g by x minus f by y. Here center is minus g minus f minus g by x minus f by y. That is nothing but g by minus x, f by, you can replace minus y, you are going to get the equation. Students, every question, a small concept, either it is related to the angle between two, or else locus of the center, okay, or orthogonal, most of the question orthogonal questions, okay. Only few questions are radical axis, radical center. Just remaining only, I think so, in this exercise we are having 4 to 5 problems. We can finish it 4:30. I can